me get this set up here so I can see everything that's going on. So, please stay up. There we go. So, okay, view. Let me make it better or worse. It might just be better like that. Okay. Okay. What is the bot? Show y'all what my trading bot's doing. I gotta restart. I actually have to restart my bot because it cut off. This is one of the little mini accounts, as you can see here. It's only got like 160 bucks in it. I just had seen it sitting there. I was like, you know what? Let's connect that to Sentinel. You know, it's just kind of got money just sitting there not doing nothing. Might as well make it work. You know what I mean? Let's go. Let's add it on BNB as well. And if y'all want to get access to our trades, it's actually really easy. You just go on our website, or there's a link directly to it on our website in the description of all of the videos on the channel. So just tap on our little channel icon and slide right over there, and you'll be golden goose. You'll be golden goose. I'm gonna split my screen so y'all can see the bot and what I'm trading. Dabba lava do that, the wop bamboo, tutti frutti. I'm thinking I'm actually about to get in euro. I'm actually ready to. I think I'm ready to get in euro. She came down off of this. I'm thinking she doesn't break too far below this level here. If this level breaks, the bot just took another trade. Oh yeah, the bot just sold Nasdaq, by the way, y'all. Just letting you know. But I like this. This is the buy that I was talking about on the last major market breakdown. Buying at this level. If this level fails, oh well. I mean, I won't take very much drawdown. Like this is the entry here. So this level I mean, granted, might get a little liquidity wipe and then push higher. What I wouldn't like is like a 30-minute candle close below this level for real. Yeah. Let me take a look at DXY though before I actually take the trade. Okay, yeah. So reject, just like it's like a weird looking head and shoulders looking thing. Yeah, so we're at this level here. So either this level fails or this level holds. But I will be trading because we are in the zone. Oh snap! I had the wrong one pulled up. I had the wrong Euro USD pulled up. Well, my pending orders must be active on my phone then. We in the Euro buys. Granted, it's weak, but it's been trending on this RSI on the downside. We haven't done a cross like I'd like, so I think we'll probably end up making one more new low before we actually go higher. And this is Euro USD, just so y'all, make sure y'all know. I gotta make sure I can see the comments. My fault. Check USD JPY. I got you. I'm finna do that right now. All right, USD JPY. Okay, so since we're just looking at DXY and it just got to a resistance. So if I had to just call it with a gun to my head, I'd say it's probably gonna sell off of here. But let me go on a slightly lower. We may test USD JPY may test that. I don't really see it going to test that just because of where the dollar is right now. Um, but I'll say like if price breaks above here, like we get like a impulsive move above here, and it comes back into this range, then I definitely sell it. Um, but if it closes above here on like the 30 minute, um, then I wouldn't be like that. I would call that an L. Look at the 4 hour. I mean, it's I always like to base everything off of how I'm looking at the dollar alone, right? And on top of that, JPY is on the weaker side. I kind of gauge that on this week's Sunday video. We do a video every Sunday where we go through all of the major markets, give our biases, say I have some setups for the week and whatnot. Um, but I'd be looking personally to sell USDJPY. Now, granted, it looks oddly choppy here. I want to get rid of this MA real quick so I can just see it a little cleaner. Um, yeah. If anything, it's like yeah, I want to sell the dollar from where it's from, but USD JPY just doesn't look like as good of a sell. You know what I mean? This looks like a lot of accumulation for a quick distribution, probably to the upside, and then it's probably going to trade back into this range. So we're probably going to get like a random push higher, and what's that going to look like on pure dollar? It's probably going to be like a test of this whole little range I got here because this is where like price up here it acted as a support, so now we're looking for that to turn into a resistance here. So, um, and like, listen, I don't love saying support and resistance that much, but you know, supply, demand, support, resistance, whatever you want to call it, it's all really the same conceptually. Oh yeah, I know a little something honestly about call option expires at 2 p.m. Um, well, I mean, I don't, I'm not. I think you'll probably win that. Because I think because I as far as I believe, we got some slightly good news coming out. He about to roll, man. But we got some slightly good dollar news over the weekend, so that's why I'm also a little confident in this little exhausted push higher into this area and then coming back down. So you know, not to be giving out financial advice or anything, but you're probably cool. You noob? No, I'm not. I'm not new. I've actually been trading for a decade. Um, that over there is a copy trader that it's the master account that everybody's connected to, and then that's a whole different bot over here. I actually build systems for this whole trading stuff. We actually have a tool. It's called the Bird's Eye tool. This right here. So you can go into the description of any of the videos on the channel. It's free. You don't have to sign up or put in any kind of information or anything like that. You just use the tool. You go on here, you click in whatever pair you're looking for. Say I want to get a general bias on Euro USD right now. EUR Type it in, hit get sentiment. It says neutral momentum detected up there in the top, you know? And what that means is right now it's probably not in the best area to trade. So like how I said a few minutes ago where I'm probably gonna wait for price to give another little push down into that same way we're looking for DXY to give another slight little exhausted push to the upside. It all kind of coincides together. So the reason why it's reading neutral right now is because it's probably not the very best entry. We'll probably get a better entry coming up soon, and when this will read incoming bullishness. So the tool will either read neutral, incoming bullishness, or incoming bearishness. So give you a gauge at what's going on in the market. So y'all go ahead and put that in y'all toolbox. Like you can save it to your home screen and everything, and it's completely free. Y'all ain't gotta like give me nothing for it. Bro seems legit to me. Probably knows more than me, to be honest. I appreciate it, Samuel. I appreciate it. There's definitely a whole lot of people on here saying a whole lot of stuff, but listen, if y'all want to spend money with me, you can. If you want to learn with me and without spending any money with me, you can. It's all possibilities are available. That's why we built this free tool here so traders can use it to, make better, trading decisions. And then we also have a playlist on this channel. So you just click the icon, go to the playlist, and there's a how to trade forex like a pro in 2025 playlist, and I break down a lot of the more fundamental and simple concepts that go into to trading, so y'all can really, hone in on y'all skills. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not gonna be staring at the charts all day. So I'm gonna go ahead. Me personally, I'm going ahead and taking this euro buy because I have I have a Cairo PT appointment, me and my wife, and then I have an appointment for my baby right after. So I'm gonna be doing a lot today. I love to set and forget, and this isn't like some crazy amount of drawdown I'm expecting. I'm looking for price to at most, you know, go somewhere around the bottom of this range, possibly, but not to break it. And if it breaks it, oh well, we're not over risking, we're not over leveraging, so it doesn't matter. This is just one in the bucket. Now give me 2 seconds while I put this order in on my phone. I'm about to show y'all my live account so y'all know it's really a live account too. Cause I know folks be trying to cap. Hold on, you see that right there? Hold on, focus. Say live. You know what I'm saying? Only live accounts. But let me put this order in real quick. Not tripping. Not a crazy big order. I love to like my motto is only risking 1 to 3% of your account on any given trade. I'm always in the mindset of that. What do you trade on? I trade on Nasdaq. I trade on a few different brokers. I ain't gonna lie. So with MT4, I use, well, okay, it's a mix because with MT4 I use my Oanda account. That's my U.S. regulated. Got to keep one for the man to watch. And then I have my KOT account that I keep to the side. And just public information. I had my KOT account before all the regulations, so it doesn't apply to me. And then for my funded accounts, I use instant funding. And I also use trading funds. They're both pretty dope. Their payouts are cool. I just started another funded account with KOT because I saw that KOT started doing funded accounts too. So I put my bot on a funded account just to pass it for me real quick. And let me just say all the progress on that. This is the started about like a week ago. Just letting it. It's a $5,000 funded. So I just been letting the bot kind of do its thing on it. I ain't really been paying too much attention to it, but it's doing its little thing. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So y'all can't ask me about funded trading and my bot though, because Harmony is not for funded accounts. Harmony is for regular live accounts with Oanda. We are only able to at this point offer Sentinel to high net worth individuals and institutions because of what it trades on. It trades on Bitcoin, Nasdaq, and gold. That's its realm of where it truly gets jiggy for real. So that's only able to be offered to institutions. So y'all seeing Sentinel over here on the screen. That's it's not for y'all. But this over here, this is what Harmony trades. Harmony trades forex pairs with a high rate of accuracy. Might I add, just to kind of give y'all a little sneak peek. Let me pull up the strategy tester so I could just show y'all real quick. I don't mean to brag, I don't mean to boast, but I got some hummus for these mini toasts. Um, this is it's on the 30-minute GP HKD. 1.2 profit factor. That's not the highest. I think the highest profit factor pair we have, Harmony Trades, is it USD NOK or I think it's USD NOK or no. EURCZK trades with a 1.73 profit factor. Now, I will say it does trade a few other things with higher profit factors, but lower win rates. So it's like great over time, but doesn't look as good in the short. So since we just connected Harmony to a MyFX book to get it tracked over time, I don't listen. Don't ask me why I didn't do that when I first built the bot, but we finally have it now. So it's being tracked. So over the next 5 years, 10 years, like the whole world will get to see that we actually have the best trading technology on the planet. But it's going to take that actual time to happen, for it to, because everybody doesn't want to just go off a back test. You know what I'm saying? We want to go off the front test. So gonna get these next 5-10 years in and show the world that we have the best algorithms on the planet. It's crazy that a lot of folks though, like, they kind of gauge how good you are with how many followers you have, which I've always found to be like one of the, it's one of the shortfalls of our technological society. It's like, people kind of get knowledge mixed up with followers. Whereas, like, we've kind of made an age where the dumbest and most non-knowledgeable people end up with the most followers because, you know, the dumbest people are the loudest. That's just, how history is always gone. But let's look at, hold on. Let's look at, oh man. Oh man, it kept selling so hard. Um, and look, everybody that's on the live, just so you know, I'm like that. Like, I would encourage you to go slide on any of the like past couple of videos that I've dropped on the markets, just so you can get a gauge at how accurate I am. Because like I've been talking about this sell off like happening for a while. And I don't think it's done. I don't think it's done. I think we finally got the catalyst to do exactly what I've been looking for prices to do, and it's go a little bit lower. We have this entry way down here that I've been wanting like so bad, so bad. It's at like 23,200 to 23,336 area is where I want to buy Nasdaq heavily. And right now it looks like it's kind of free falling. So I said yesterday in last week's video that I wanted to kind of leave Nasdaq alone and let this week's news cycle play out, because it was probably going to give us a really good gauge at how to move next. And that is proving to be a good sentiment. So we'll see what this level does here. It seems to be at a slight key level where it is right now. Like, price could bounce a little bit here just because it's a key level, but I think price will melt here. We could find a trade, likely. That's probably a little risky because liquidity is going to be coming into the market pretty soon. But we have we have a good looking level that can get broken and retested for a little sell off. So if you're looking for a quick sell on Nasdaq, you could probably wait for this to dump and then come back, test this area, and take the sniper here, and you'll be good. Now, I know this is a shorter live than I usually do. Y'all go ahead and hit that like button and hit that sub button. I'm finna get off of here. I have some things to handle, a few clients to check on, and some accounts to straighten out. So without further ado, I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next. Wait. Why don't you just buy some puts if you know you have strong indicators are going? Oh, so like, listen, the reason honestly is like I trade for fun and to teach. My algorithms for the most part do all of that. Like, my algorithms are buying and selling all the time because like it's like they're built to hedge. So I'm a hedger. You know what I mean? I'm buying and selling. Now with of course I'm the one that coined precision trading. So I can, of course, find great entries, anytime. but it's just a matter of like, my money's tied up a lot, so I don't like. So me personally trading, like when I'm personally taking trades, I have to be very selective because my bots is always taking up a lot of my margin. That's really how I go. But yeah, I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.